hi again. I can actually speak louder actually now. So if you want to if you want to like put this up, you need to just twist it like this. If it's stuck like this, that if it's stuck and it just did like that, you need like to put it out like what I just did, but don't do it. And then I got it off, but need like more. Need and this, oh, like what I just said last video. Um, you need to tighten it up and arrange it. You need to arrange it and then tighten it up by just spinning this thing. But if you don't want and you don't have any ammo, you need to just unscrew it the opposite way and then don't put it back. No, like this. Okay. And now you're okay. And this is the view what you're gonna get if you like don't put it, if you don't put any of this, but if you put this you will have this. Then you will have this view, which is cool. And if you want, and this is the view if you put it all in like this kind of thing. And now there. Thanks for the views. Bye bye.